God. I said this week I prophesy to somebody in the house. Little effort, maximum result. This week you will not die premature death. I said this week you will excel beyond your expectation. That thing that looks like stagnation around your life and around your finance, this week is been terminated.